Welcome to another edition of Weathertex Talks. This time brings us halfway around the world to Dubai, and we're here at Jumeirah Beach with our distributor who looks after most of Asia, is Ranjit. Ranjit, welcome.
Hey.
Here we are on the beautiful beach of Dubai, and again Weathertex travels halfway around the world for these Lifeguard huts. Tell us how this came about and how we managed to get 25 of them along the beach here in Jumeirah.
This is one of our, I would say, feather in the hat kind of project, and it's of course through our distributors who've actually worked really very hard with the consultants which come from all over the world. They are doing some landmark projects over here for the last 3 years. We've been really working hard towards that, and one of the achievements was this one. Weathertex comes across to be as a new product over here for this side of the market, at the same time keeping it natural. Wood's always been one of the favorites for all of us. The only thing which used to put people behind was that, hey, I don't want to maintain it. Maybe about 15 months down, and look what it looks like. I think we did the job well.
I think again it represents the durability of the Weathertex product. You know, we've got 25 of them, of these Lifeguard huts along this beach here, and for 15 months surviving these conditions, particularly the heat in Dubai that gets up to 45 degrees.
A big test for Weathertex. With this example, I don't think anybody can underestimate the performance of Weathertex anywhere in the world. Anywhere in the world.
Another great example, and we're going to move later on. We'll catch up with Ranjit in a magnificent hotel, newly built hotel in Marriott in Dubai, and we'll showcase our product and what's happened there. Here we are at the Lapita Resort in Dubai, a brand new 500-room resort for the Dubai theme park. And Ranjit, we've got thousands of square metres of our board specified and installed in the buildings here. What a wonderful project.
Absolutely, I think it's one of the most beautiful projects here, right in the middle of Dubai and Abu Dhabi. And this is the only 500-room resort over here. We supplied a lot of Weathertex exterior boards,
yes.
And it's, as you can see, we've used it over here all around the fascia, and such installations, not typically as it's a cladding product. But of course, as a high-performance board, you could say, it's doing a good job. We started installation in March last year, and yes, there's thousands and thousands of square meters of Weathertex up where you see.
Yeah.
It's a Polynesian-style resort. There's already a lot of publicity about it. We just can't wait for clients to come here, kids, families from all over the world.
Weathertex again makes its way to Dubai. We saw the Jumeirah Beach, and now we're here at Lapita Resort, where there's been thousands of square meters of our board put in this particular hotel resort. Thanks very much.